Good morning, ammo seekers. Today's another beautiful day in Plano, Texas. We are not in Houston today when we are at Scheels. We're gonna go check this place out. This is my second time at this store and it is pretty amazing. So let's go inside and just let's get a sense of the culture at Scheels. Scheels. I mean, when you first get to this place, it is absolutely massive. This is like a one-stop shop up in here in Plano/Dallas, and they have a little bit of everything. You know, there's quite a few statues out front, and if you want, you can even take a picture with your homeboy Lincoln. I love this place, man. It's very, very cool. I'm waiting for a special guest. See if he's on time. Tick tock, buddy. Tick tock. What's really cool is when you first go in the Scheels, they have this really nice fish tank. It's pretty slick. And then they have a Ferris wheel, a toy section. They've got a huge candy store and giant unicorns, an arcade. They also have this very cool Mountain of Death. They have lots and lots and lots and a lot of guns. You know what else they have? Who's this guy? All right, so we met up with Me the People. And we are at Scheels. In.
I can finally tell them how to pronounce it. It's called Scheels.
Scheels. Now we're at Scheels. Where's this ammo at? Is it? I always get lost in here. Is it that way? This way. All right. Let me turn the camera around. Yes. Aluminum case. Winchester. But as you guys can see, there is a ton of ammo. $200 rounds. Yikes. Right, 223 Wolf steel case. I remember this used to be at $2.99 a box. They have lots of it for now, anyway.
I was thinking of doing the video and having you talk, and
All right, so I'm with Me the People, and we're over here at Scheels, and there is a ton of ammo. I mean, they have it all. Every single caliber you could want, they have it all.
Just about.
The prices, though, are trash. I mean, really not that good. So if you're in Plano, is this Plano or Dallas?
This is actually the Colony.
Dallas. If you're in the Dallas area,
North Dallas.
come to Scheels. And Scheels
121,
for 121.
close to Tollway.
But they do have a lot of ammo. It's just, you can still get it way cheaper online. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Let's go get some barbecue.
Let's go.
Hard 8 barbecue. Now, what do you rate this in Texas as far as your favorite place to eat? Is it pretty good?
Man, Texas has a lot of good barbecue.
Does have a lot of good barbecue.
This is about an 8 or, yeah, it's about an 8.
An 8. All right. Man, it sure smells like it. Look at that smoker. Look at all this wood. So you go in this place, check this out. Are these all smokers? Holy shucks. This is a good sign.
Yeah, we got the ribeyes back here, 8 and 16 ounce, and we sell grilled trout back here.
Look at that. Not bad. Even with inflation, the prices are not too bad. Oh. Let me get some jalapeno sausage and some pulled pork. Look at that. Oh, that's good.